Hello guys, welcome to a new tutorial video on my channel, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make your own gaming intro. If you are a YouTuber and you need a gaming intro for your gaming channel or for whatever purpose, then this video is for you. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So the first thing you have to do is to open your browser and go to a site known as Maclobus. I'm giving the link in the description. From there go to free templates. So here you can find bunch of free templates for many famous games, and here is Battlefield 5, PUBG style intro, Call of Duty, Modern Warfare, and many other games. As a preview I can show you Call of Duty Infinity War.
Let's get these bastards.
So that was Call of Duty Infinity Warfare style intro, and you can find many other game intros. There are certain categories as well, such as 60 FPS, Sony Vegas, or you can also edit in After Effects. I am going to select Sony Vegas because we are going to edit in Sony Vegas. So here you can see many other game intros, Hitman, Battlefield, and there are many pages, Far Cry, The Division, Fallout 4. That totally depends on you, which game do you want. And here you can see the Mad Max style intro. If you cannot find your game, then you can also search for it. I'm going for CSGO. Oops, let's write the full name of the game. It is Counter Strike. So here it is, Global Offensive Counter Strike style. But I'm going to edit on PUBG. I'll write PUBG here, and here is the PUBG style intro. Just click download and a new page will be opened. This is basically an ad. Just wait for some moments and then click skip ad. Just wait for a few seconds. Yes, and a media file page will be opened, and just click download now. So after downloading the intro, you have to go to the folder where have you downloaded the file, and then extract here. So the next thing you have to do is to install the font, which is very important. I have already installed it. So then just click Sony Vegas and it will open. If you haven't downloaded Sony Vegas, I am giving link in the description. So here is our intro, and just we have to edit